Hi, this is Bhakti from Chabria Housing and today I am at Chembur's luxurious project known as Supreme Boulevard. So Supreme have come up with the tallest tower in Chembur where you would be getting a G+34 story tower with all the modern amenities. In Tower A, you are getting 3 and 4 bed, and in Tower B, you are getting 2 and 3 bed. And all this is starting from 2.60 CR. That's crazy, right? You would be getting a mountain view, a Vashi Crest view, and a city view from your apartment. So there are only 500 families on 5.5 acre of freehold land parcel, where there would be 4 towers. Talking about the connectivity, you can easily connect to Eastern Express Highway, upcoming metro station and towards Atal Setu Road. Welcome to your sample apartment. So here comes your spacious living and dining area with a beautiful deck. So here comes your guest bedroom. So opposite to your guest bedroom, you have your powder washroom. So let's have a look at your deputy master bedroom. Here comes your spacious master bedroom. Here comes your modular kitchen where you would be getting a chimney, a stove, a marble finished platform and a utility area. Thank you for joining us today. For more details, please click on the link below and don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment.